Woyzeck, please, start. Erzähl uns was über die Arbeit, die Gruppe und warum er Woyzeck gemacht hat und so.
Tell us about the group and how you worked on the play Woyzeck and everything about the play.
Okay. First of all, I have to say I'm very happy to be here in International Bunte Theatre Festival and to be with you guys. It's my pleasure. Bunte All Theatre Group is approximately large group theatre. We have 4 or 5 directors. These directors have exclusive group for them. I have my group, another one, and another one. Woyzeck is my project, and I have to say why I choose Woyzeck, because some people, some playwrights, some theories are very lovely and popular in Iran. For example, Poor Theater of Georg is very, very lovely in Iran. Shakespeare is very popular in Iran. And Buchner is so much lovely for Iranian as me. And Woyzeck is very similar. Actually, the situation of Woyzeck is very similar to Iranian people nowadays. You know? This is the reason that I choose working on Woyzeck's project.
Und warum machst du das alleine?
Why do you make it alone, this performance, Woyzeck?
I think this is one of several ideas that is available in Woyzeck playwright. Woyzeck is very alone.
Okay.
Woyzeck is with Mary, is with colonel, is with doctor and people of his city. But Woyzeck is very close. In this regard, I decided to work on Woyzeck like solo performance.
Okay.
Please, comments, impressions, thoughts about the performance.
Yes, I want.
Yeah.
I think that the act is very impressive because it's, you have the details, many details, very important for the character, for the situations. The use of the objects is very clear. And the light, for example, the red light, the first image of the play is very impressive. I don't know the word or real word. But I like a lot these details. I think that these details can, or with these details you make a big play with only the cigarette. These things are very.
Okay.
Może ja.
Ja.
Chciałam powiedzieć, że jest to niezwykła umiejętność, będąc samemu na scenie, skupić uwagę tak wielu ludzi.
I wanted to say that it's really hard to be alone on stage and keep focus all the audience.
Twoja gra, jak my to nazywamy, z przedmiotem,
Your play with the things
była niezwykle interesująca, bo miałeś znakomity kontakt właśnie z przedmiotem.
It was very interesting because you have great contact with these things.
Ja nie patrzyłam na te wszystkie rzeczy jak na rzeczy, ale jak na prawdziwe osoby.
I wasn't looking on these things like on things. I was looking on these things like on real people.
A przede wszystkim patrzyłam na twoją twarz, która była niezwykła.
And I was looking on your face and it was really amazing.
I wszystko się działo w twojej twarzy, w twoich oczach.
Everything was happening on your face, in your eyes.
Było to niezwykłe przeżycie. Bardzo dziękuję za ten spektakl.
It was really great experience and thank you very much for this performance.
Okay.
Dziękuję.
I also really like your face. It's very interesting. I didn't understand any word, but I liked your face, and so I understand everything. Only watching your face is very good.
Yeah.
Woyzeck is a character with stories that are ironic. That means that you show us a story, but you tell something else. That means that, like when you're ironic, you say something, but you mean something else. So it's an ironic character, it's an ironic drama, it's an ironic story. And this is what I saw in your playing, in your acting, because you were acting not naturally or realistic. You are playing in many situations too much, too strong. So there was a distance between what you play and what you told us as an actor in the same moment. So you had also an ironic acting, and so it was fitting to the drama. Thanks a lot.
It's interesting that you played all alone. And this things like a person, and it's a great idea as you told.
Die Franzose.
Ja, bitte.
I wanted to comment on the stage design and all the objects you had, which were personifications of the roles in the play, and I thought it's really well thought out. So they are very simple, but still you see the persons, they are kind of funny also and very comical. And everything, like putting the money into the boxing kind of was just a great very simple idea, and you just could hear the sound, and it was very well thought out, everything. And especially I liked how Mary was introduced with turning around and then seeing the sad face, and I think that was very cool.
Yeah.
When it's about rhythm, you had a CD that was playing, right, the whole time, or somebody was pushing the next track.
No, that was just one track.
One track.
44 minutes.
Yes,
so
yes.
yeah.
Yes, what
Long
I thought so,
track.
yes. So this is how, and this is what is about rhythm. This whole track is always in the same rhythm. The person who designed this whole 44 minutes decided for a rhythm that is holding you in your playing. So you have no possibility to change your rhythm, because first is the sound of these 44 minutes, and then you need to fit to this, right? So when you have the possibility to change the sounds, or to think about your own rhythm as an actor you have, maybe it can be a challenge for further moments when you will play in future, to change the rhythm, not to let yourself play in the rhythm the sound gives you, but to change rhythm quicker. So, like for example, sometimes you're very quick, but the sound is in a different rhythm, you know, so you have a contrast. And then it is, for me as audience, it's much more easier, or it's much more, it's a contrast, and then I start again to watch you. It's like I wake up, and because the rhythm is changing. Because when you're alone, it's very hard to make it always what Christina said, that the people are focusing on. Yeah.
First of all, I liked it very much. Very well played and very intense, even if you don't understand the word. I have a question. Did you direct it yourself as well? So you're the director and the actor. And how do you manage this? Who gives you feedback? Or
I have to say something about this. Actually, we are 7 persons who work on Woyzeck project. Due to some financial problems, we came to Fellbach with 2 members just, and they are in Iran because of money. And traveling to Europe is expensive. In this regard, we decided to make a long sound, actually long track, MP3 track. About your question, I have to say we have a handycam camera in hand of my friend. Actually, it was one of my big friend. During the working on Woyzeck project, I shoot video from myself and then acting in front of video camera and improvisation and blah blah blah.
so you analyze yourself.
And then I was watching the videos. Process of working on Woyzeck was 8 months. Take 8 months. I directed myself over and over again.
Wenn, ja,
Yeah. I wanted to say that I really liked your body movement because it was so clear and defined and you were so straight in it. I think I could never get out of it. You know what I mean? Your way of moving, your way of acting. No, it's just like the body. You have such a strict way to walk, and I really liked it because it was so clear in the role.
I think it's because I had some experiences in the field of mind and pantomime.
Yeah. I think it's like, yeah.
okay. Dann bedanken wir uns für diesen Woyzeck. Die nächste Aufführung beginnt um 15 Uhr. Wir haben dann einen Weg von ungefähr 15 Minuten, 20 Minuten, hast du schon gesagt. Das findet in der Aula des Friedrich-Schiller-Gymnasiums statt. Gibt es Wegbeschreibung dorthin? Nein. Das heißt, können wir uns hier gemeinsam treffen und dann losgehen, dass wir dorthin gehen? Wie viel Uhr? Ich denke, wenn wir uns um 5 nach halb 3, 5 Minuten nach halb 3, halb 3 gehen wir los. Okay?
Well, the next performance is going to be at the FSG Aula at 3 p.m. and the way is taken about 15 minutes or 20 minutes, so we have to meet here earlier, and we suggest that we going to meet here, or we're going to go away at 2:15. Is that okay for you?
Your English is
Yes, it's 2:15.
Okay?
No, half past. Sorry, half past.
Also, wir treffen, wir wollen jetzt nicht um halb drei treffen.
2:30.
Ja.
2:30.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.